Frustrated by the downloader module DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before we begin our downloader module troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the downloader module, frequently associated with third-party web accelerators or localized browser-integrated tools. It manages the multi-threaded chunking of large file downloads. Because it initiates remote socket connections, it is a high-risk file for malware hijacking. If missing, the parent app will report a network library load failure. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Missing downloader module. DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized download orchestration integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program, where you saw the error, will automatically replace the corrupted library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the downloader module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Remember that downloader module DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for downloader module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped downloader module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.